We've unboxed a car. Heck, we've unboxed a plane. We've even unboxed the Infinity Gauntlet from Universe 23B and stopped Thanos. You're welcome. Our unboxing game is on point. We know a thing or two, or 16. Yeah, we know a thing or 16, maybe even 60. So, without further delay, let's unbox this freshest for breeze Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1660 Ti. Now the first thing you're going to notice about this box is not only is it a wide boy, but the premium gloss finish that obviously is a reflection of the Turing architecture. Contained inside! Oh, look at this, guys. KA. Don't know what that means, but I just saw yellow and purple and it reminded me of Easter. At least we unleashed a boat there. So one thing I really like about the boxes lately for graphics cards is the cool branding. I like the Gigabyte stuff here. Get that box of bend. So we got another Gigabyte package in here. So we essentially just have a quick install guide, and that's what's in there. But this can serve you as a wall mount for documents. It's like a file folder. Think of it, guys. Now you have a Gigabyte file folder just for you. Then we got our GPU. Now let's get to the sauce. All right, I want you to tell me honestly at home that these are not the cutest little things you've ever seen. Kevin, Hank, and chat, you name this one. You name our third fan, so let's get some name suggestions in chat. Anyways, we're gonna take a better look at the card here. So this right here is where we're gonna see where the RGB lights up the title or the name of the card, so the Gigabyte. Then we also have our 8-pin power connector right there, which is pretty standard. And then we're gonna go over this way here. So that's where all your ports are. I really just like the design of the card. So imagine this sitting in your case. You see Gigabyte there, Gigabyte there. You got the Gigabyte Flex, guys. And then when you actually look at the card kind of head on there, just how the colors work so well with the black, the gray, you see the copper pipe in the back there for cooling. It just looks nice. Looks gorgeous to me. So yeah, that's the card unboxed. Let's go into some key features. The card is a long boy of 116 millimeters in width and the length of 280 millimeters. So now, you know if this beefy boy is gonna fit inside that case of yours. And the long boy is light. I could juggle this, but I'm not going to because it's a real card. Knowing me, I'm gonna drop it. But some things you need to know. The card is made of a premium plastic, which gives it the feather light weight. Couldn't train with this little guy. But we could try because, you know, doing the repetitions on non-stop. Oh, hey, we're getting something there, actually. Nice. It gets its wideness from its cooling solution. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Fans packed inside the WindForce 3X cooling system. There's like a guitar go. Anyways, the system has alternating fans. And you can see here, there's some grills to help direct the air. These stylish and efficient fans, combined with copper heat pipes, allow for some efficient heat dissipation. You'll be cool as fans with the 1660 Ti. We have a triple DisplayPort and single HDMI. We also can't overlook the RGB fusion. Although it is subtle, the Gigabyte logo lights up, giving you that little glow of life. One of my absolute favorite features of this card is the beautiful brush backplate. The look, the feel, and well, most importantly, the protection it offers. The 1616 Ti has the Turing architecture that the 20 series has, without ray tracing. With the addition of GDDR6, this card could give an amazing 1080p gaming experience, as well, great 1440p gaming. If you're looking to build your first PC, or you're looking to upgrade from the 9 series card and get a taste of Turing, this card could be for you. Of course, if you want to see the performance, we have the 2-fan version of the Gigabyte 1660 Ti on our Apex build that we did last week, so check out the description for the link below. Thanks for watching, and of course, you know the drill. Follow us on What the heck? I know what this is. This is basketball drills, because that's right, let's see those slam dunk deals. Grab your basketballs, yeah, and get ready for the slam dunks. All right. Anyways, guys, the media team will also be at the Twitch meetup in Calgary on Friday. We'll be showing off some cool products, hanging out, and maybe even participating in the Smash tournament. And of course, we'll have some prizes for the winners. Don't forget to follow us on social media. Facebook and Twitter are the same at Memory Express, Instagram at Official Memory Express. Hit that sub button, ring that bell. Of course, ding, 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 and never miss a video. I'm Steve from Memory Express. I'm also on the all-star team for Memory Express. Throw it up. We're gonna Kobe this. Yeah. All right. See you guys Friday. Or Thursday. Yeah, Thursday, I think. Thursday. Stay tuned Thursday, guys, because we're gonna... That's right. Haha! Oh, God, I hit Noelle in the head. I'm a monster. All right. Bye. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and you know the drill. Thanks for watching, guys, and, well, you know the drill. Woo!